Hi everyone, I'm Scott and today I am going to do a video for you guys. I got 19.7, which is 19,700 subscribers. For you guys to please like, comment, subscribe, to make the notification bell below. So today guys, I have a drink with me, and that's raspberry lime seltzer. So, I know I've been doing a lot of piping. Hell, we aren't coming, guys. Give me a second. I've been practicing, and it's the no piping challenge. I want to give this challenge out to Crystal. Um, I want to say that I love Crystal so much, and I'm doing the no piping challenge. Before we start having our coming soon, give me a face. Alright, so I really love seltzer and I'm gonna drink it, but I'm not chugging, is because I really don't wanna get sick. I just wanna do the no piping challenge just because I'm doing it with seltzer and I love seltzer and I wanna marry it one day. So I hope you guys can leave it in the comments, when to subscribe, tell me notification bell or something down below. Right, next. Before we get started, I have to roll my sleeves up, or I can take my hoodie off. Alright. And we are coming, guys. Alright, guys. Let's get started. Cheers. Okay. Make the blues gives vibes. You can't do it. I couldn't do it, guys. Well, this one I can do for you guys. When I can't do it is because I have that feeling. I'll have more videos coming your way soon for some singing. Alright, bye guys.